Hello everyone, how is it going? In today's tutorial, we're gonna make some portrait vector illustration using Inkscape. Right, let's get started. Let's import the image. You go to File, Import, and I choose this. Just hit OK. Place it to here and press Ctrl Shift to proportional scale. On this. And let's rename this layer to image. Click and name it. And lock the layer for focus work. Then create new layer. Name it hair. Because we're going to select the hair with the bezier tool, press B on your keyboard. Then I start from here. Click. And just drag like this. And here. Follow the shape of the hair. Like this. And on here, we're going to lock the corner. Just drag it like this. And hold shift to lock the corner and release. So you see it make a thin corner to this. Or you can see my previous video how to create flat illustration from photo. Because we're going to use many lock corner in this tutorial. Right, just continue. Just follow the shape of the hair. Like this and here. And on here, just drag and lock the corner, hold shift, then release, then continue. And on here, just drag and hold shift to lock the corner, then release. Lock the corner again, hold shift, like this, and this. Change the hair color to this. I'm pressing D to activate the dropper tool. Then click this. Or you can change the hair color to this edit objects. And input this color code to this. Right. Remove the stroke. Right click. Choose remove stroke. Next we're going to create the face layer. Just create a layer and name it face. Place it below the hair. And don't forget to lock the hair layer. So it focuses on the face layer. Easy, with bezier tool, press B. Or you can click this icon. Then just draw the face shape. You know, it's because below the hair layer, this outer shape will not visible. Only on these areas. So just make it fast. And change the color to this color. And remove the stroke. Right, next, drawing the jackets. Create new layer, animate jackets, and place it below the face. Right, don't forget to lock the face layer. Start with the bezier tool again, press B, or you can click this icon. And just follow the shape. And change the color to this color. And remove the stroke. Next thing to do is make the eyes. So create new layer, animate eyes. Hide the face layer for now, so it's visible to see the eye shape. And don't forget to lock the jacket. On the eyes layer with bezier tool again, just follow this eyebrow shape. Start from here and this. Just click like that and connect it to this. And on the side, start from here, here, and here. Alright, let's select these two by hitting shift and change the color to this, our base color. Next, the eye shape with bezier tool again. Start from this, and this. Hold shift to lock the corner, then release. Just connect it to here. Okay, change the color to this. Remove the stroke. Now for the eye part, press B again and just follow the shape. Make it inner. We want to make it intersect. Okay, just follow this. Select these two by clicking this and hold shift, click this, right click, just soft fill and stroke, and we're going to make it difference. Go to path and choose difference. So you see it will subtract the selection and change the color to this again. For the pupil, draw this perfect circle with the circle tool. Press Ctrl Shift to make it proportional scale. This, and we're going to make it with the white color to fill in here. Press B again and just draw the white shape of the eye. Change the color to white and remove the stroke. Press F1 and send it to the bottom. Then press Ctrl D to duplicate and select the pupil and right click, choose set click. For the eye laces, press B again, then draw some of the shape. Hold shift to lock the corner. Same with this, holding shift, lock the corner. Change the color to this and remove the stroke. Do the same for this side. Next step, drawing the nose. Create a layer and name it nose. Okay, don't forget to lock the eyes layer. And with bezier tool again, just follow this shape. Change it to this color and remove the stroke. On this part, to emphasize the nose shape, lock the corner, hold shift, then place it on here. Change the color to this and remove the stroke. And on this part, next for the lips, create a new layer and name it lips. Don't forget to lock the nose layer and start with the upper lips with bezier tool again. Lock the corner, hold shift, then release. The bottom lips. Alright, select these two by holding shift, then change the lips color to this and remove the stroke. Are you ready for the next part? We're going to make the shading. Well, it's the advanced part when you're making some portrait vector object, but it makes the result more good looking, right? Start with the face, change the face layer to darken, and just hide the lips, eyes, and the nose for a moment. Then start drawing the shade. Start from here, unlock this face layer with bezier tool again. We're going to make a darker side, so you see it's more darker in here, then here. So let's make it. Start from here. Just follow the shape. On this, lock the corner. Place it on here. So let's change the layer mode to normal. Change the color to this, pressing D. And we're going to make it a little darker. Open this edit objects. On this HSL tab, you can turn down the lightness around this, and don't forget to remove the stroke. Then draw again, change layer to darken, or you can choose the soft light. It's up to you, but I choose darken. On this side, press B again, just draw. And change mode to normal. Change to this color and remove the stroke. Let's see if it is good or not. Well, pretty good, and continue. Just hide this. And for this part, the shade is done for now. Now for the light part, you see some of the light reflection here, and here. So just make that with bezier tool again. In here and in here too. Alright, let's change it to white color. Remove the stroke. Right, let's see. You can turn on the opacity. 50. This 70. Add more to here. Let's make the shading on the nose part with bezier tool again. And make it more darker. Move the stroke. Add more to here. Change the opacity to 30. And this. Next, for the lip shading, don't forget to lock the face layer. Then unhide this face layer. And in the lips layer, you can change the blend mode to darken or soft light. I choose between these two. Okay, let's try with soft light. Let's draw the shade part. Start from here. And in here. Right, change the blend mode to normal. Select these two and change it to this color and make it darker with the shaded objects. From this and remove the stroke. Place it in the back. this, and this it's more darker because it's the line of lips. Draw the like part, change it to the soft like, and you see this reflection. Just draw with bezier tool again. Change to normal, make it become white color, change the opacity to 50, change it to soft like again. Let's draw again. Right, change it to normal, and change this color more brighter. Remove the stroke first, and with edit objects, click it and just increase like this. Then place it in the back of reflection. Good. The next thing for the eye shading, don't forget to lock the lips layer and go to this eyes layer, just unlock it and start drawing the pupil with the circle tool. Just hold Ctrl Shift to make it proportional scale like this. Change it to this color, make it more lighter. Go to this edit objects and increase the lightness around this. And let's cut it in half with bezier tool, press B. Then hold Ctrl Shift to make this straight line. Select these two, go to path, choose division. Let's make a circle again in here with the circle tool. Hold Ctrl Shift and change it to this color. Make the opacity to 100. And these two, make it 100. Some eye reflection with circle tool again. Bring it to white color. I'm gonna just duplicate this, press Ctrl D and place it on here. Just scale it down. On here, draw some red shape. I'm pressing B. Then make it here. And change it to this little pink. Move the stroke and place it below. For a little gray color in these areas, press B again and draw like this. Change it to this color. Remove the stroke and move it on the back. Do the same for this area. I'm just gonna duplicate this and draw some gray areas here. To this color and move the stroke, place it below. Alright, and don't forget to lock the A layer. And you see some of not nice line here, and just delete some of not, just make it smooth. This. Alright, let's make this become rounded. But first, let's make it union. Click this and go to path, choose union. And we're going to use the path effect. Go to path, choose path effect. And hit add. Choose these corners. This is a new feature in Inkscape 1. Big thanks to Inkscape developer. This tool is really helpful. Click the node you want to be round. Sample this. And just drag it. You see it will become rounded. And don't forget to apply the path effect. Go to path and choose object to path. It will disappear here. That means it's applied. Let's refine some of the shading in here. Unlock the face layer. Just make it smooth. Alright, next for the hair shading. Lock the face layer and unlock the hair. Can change the mode to soft like. Just hide the face layer for now. Start drawing the light reflection here and here. So with bezier tool again, Lock the corner in here. And in here. And on this part. Alright, let's change the layer to normal. And let's change the color. And turn on the lightness. Now for the dark shade, change it to the soft light. And let's draw. Change the blend mode to normal again. Change the color to something a little darker. Remove the stroke. Now shading for the jacket. Change layer mode to soft light. Open up this image layer. Then let's start from the dark one with bezier tool again. And let's start draw this. Alright, let's bring up to normal and select all, change to this color and make it darker and remove the stroke. Draw again for another part. On the jacket layer, change the blend mode to soft light. Let's bring up to normal. Change the color. Change the color to this. And make it darker. From this. And remove the stroke. Now for the leg in the jacket layer. Change it to darken. And draw some of this reflection. It's here, here, and here. Make it lighter. And remove the stroke. Very nice, you've done well so far. So next thing we're going to make the background and the outline, alright? First let's make some background, create new layer, animate. And with rectangle tool, click this. You can turn on the snapping from this top corner to this bottom. And change the color to this color. And for the outline, so unlock the layer first. Except the background and the image. So just select it and press Ctrl D to duplicate, and press Ctrl K to combine. Well, looks horrible for now, but don't worry, it is for the outline. So create new layer, animate outline, and place it below the jacket layer, and move this to the outline layer. Right click, move to layer, choose the outline, then go to path, choose offset, or you can see the shortcut. So we're gonna press the shortcut a few times. So click this offset, and I'm pressing this shortcut about a few times. Around this, it's okay. And then just lock all this layer. And I'm gonna make some of clipping mesh later with some shape. By holding shift click, you can lock all the layers and unlock it. So I'm gonna unlock the background only. Right, so I'm gonna draw some shape. And make it group by pressing Ctrl G. Then duplicate this background, press Ctrl D, and click the shape, right click, just set clip. I hope you learned something new how to create this vector portrait illustration using Inkscape. I'm still learning doing this, especially for the shading. Don't stop learning, keep exploring and practicing, see many references so you can make it better. I'm Zeki from Zeki Design. Create something good today. Thanks for watching.